What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alexis, and today I'm back with Hurela hair once again. So they sent me this wig. I thought it was a regular frontal wig. When I got it, I realized it was a TPART wig, which I don't normally wear, so I knew this was going to be a challenge. So instead of bleaching the knots, I decided to go in with my lace spray just to attempt to make it a little bit more natural. To me, it made no sense to really bleach it, especially because I can't really pluck the knots or anything like that. I plucked a couple, but it didn't really do too much. But like I said, this is a T-part lace wig. It's 12 inches, and I believe the color is like a ginger or dark reddish brown. So I braided my hair down into 4 big plaits. And then no wig cap today. I haven't been filling the wig caps lately, so I just busted it on my head, and I did cut the lace kind of like right in front of the middle part because it was kind of tight. So you guys will see once I actually put the wig on my head, because I guess it's a T-part and there's not a lot of lace to kind of work with. It's basically hard for me to apply the whole entire frontal area, so I just decided to style the wig kind of like a closure wig, not paying any mind to the sideburns. So to me personally, I didn't think this would be a long-term wig. So for a short-term style, I just decided not to even use any lace spray or anything like that, because a little foam can go a long way. So you guys see that my sideburns are kind of like not fitting into the wig. So this is why I decided to style it like a closure. My sideburns are kind of long, but one thing I did really like about the wig is the fact that it came out the box basically ready to style or ready to wear, kind of, besides the baby hairs, to be honest, because all you had to do was kind of like curl the hair or straighten it just a little bit, and you'll be good to go. It was already super silky straight out of the pack. It wasn't crazy looking, so I did like that. But I did use my Nairobi foam to lay the baby hairs, so I did cut them a little short, and then just gave me 2 little edges on each side. So now I'm kind of just brushing through it, trying to see like how exactly I want to style it. But as you guys can see, like, this is no product, nothing, straight out the box, no bleaching, nothing. And the hair looks super silky. So one thing I can say is that the quality of the actual hair is A1, because I really didn't put anything in it besides the styling foam for the edges, and yeah, that was it. So I was gonna stick with it and be basic and just have the regular straight bob, but I decided to go in and actually do some spiral curls with my flat iron. So some flat iron curls, um, just the regular way, pretty much. You just put the hair into the flat iron, twirl it, and let the flat iron do the work. I literally curled each piece one time, and I did huge chunks, and the curl stayed the entire day. So I feel like that says a lot about the hair. It holds curls well. A lot of hair that does come already straight or supposed to be a straight texture kind of drops the curls really fast, and it just be looking a hot mess. But it curled very well, and it held the curls very well, so that's a super plus. So now that we are fully curled, I'm just going in with my fingers and kind of just like brushing the curls out to make it not look so like uniform, like I just got a fresh person curl at the beauty salon. So kind of just using my fingers, and then you guys will see me pick up a brush as well to kind of like brush the curls out a little bit, just make it a little bit more messy because I didn't want it so uniform. So now that the curls and the styling is all out the way, I'm just taking my hot comb and kind of laying it flat onto the part so everything is super flat for the middle part. But I did want to mention, if you guys do not like putting makeup on your wigs, maybe try some lace tint. But for this wig specifically, I did go in with my LA Pro Girl concealer in Warm Honey. I put that all along the part, and then I just dabbed it with my finger to make it look more like scalp, since I did not bleach any knots or anything extra. But after the concealer, that was pretty much it. I'm just trying to fluff up the roots a little bit so that it's not so flat. But this is pretty much the finished look. Shout out to Hurela hair. Definitely a challenge, like I said, with the TPART wig, but I think we pulled through. I think we did a little something. So if you like this hair, make sure you guys check the link in the description box. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.